Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about Euro against dollar, the most famous pair. But before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification below the video. You'll find some links. You can check them out, such as you can join free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. Go and join my Telegram. Check out the brokers and prop firm if you want to register. Check this out here. And this link which says monthly membership. So if you want to get benefits out of your Forex and gold trading, then you can also join this monthly membership. You can check out everything after watching this video. So subscribe and like, and let's come back to the Euro USD. Let's go to weekly chart and let's see what do we have in weekly. So in weekly, we have broken all the previous highs. Then we are taking a pullback, and maybe after the pullback, we will go up again. But weekly is too far, doesn't make sense. Let's get back to daily. In daily, what do we have? Okay, so in daily, we had the new downtrend for a while. So new trend, pullback, new low, pullback, new low. But then we have a rejection from the EMA in daily time frame. Okay, so in daily we never crossed the EMA. You see here, this last red candle never closed below the EMA. Rejection came, right? And right after this red candle, which was rejected by the EMA, right after that we have a blue candle, which means if you enter buy here or even here, you should be able to take some profit until here. Okay, so the way I see it, that we are starting a new uptrend because the EMA is rejected. More confirmation from the 4-hour. Let's get back to 4-hour. The price is still below the EMA. Okay, but you have to notice that after this low, this high is broken. So this blue candle has broken this previous high. Then we are taking a pullback and then we're going up. So to me, as an early bird, I can see that this is the start of a new uptrend. This high is broken, a new high is created, then a pullback, and then we are going up. So if you're smart enough, you will look for longs in in Euro USD. Okay. And the last video I made was on AUD USD. So AUD USD is same as NZD USD. So I don't make separate videos for NZD USD. So in case you want to trade NZD USD, go and watch my AUD USD analysis video. It's exactly same for NZD USD. Okay. So if you like what you see, subscribe and like, and look for longs in Euro USD for now. And yeah, subscribe or whatever, and check out these links. I'll see you in my next analysis. If you want some live action, live trades and everything, join the membership, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.